rain. This has been a week.
Hello?
Yo, what's happening? See, I'm trying to catch up with you so I can meet you over there at the spot, at the Candyland spot. Look, kid. Right off Peachtree Road. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you. Or you can go scoop. Which one you want to do?
I'll come swoop you up. Okay. Supposed to be at Candytopia at 12:30.
Alright.
Alright, I'll see you then.
Rainy mornings, rainy afternoons, and rainy nights. The fall has begun to really feel like fall. Canton Jones once said after the rain has gone, hello, sunshine.
Hey there, darling. What's going on? What's going on, precious darling?
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel.
Good catch, babe. Good catch. Doggone lights, man, they'll turn on you quicker than a little bit. Trust me, I know. I'll be out here driving the truck, man. It's Creations with Helen. I'm out here kicking with her. You know who it is. She called me Boo Thing. Coach Classic, Coach, however you want to, whichever way, it don't even matter. But I'm out here with her. We about to go over here and get some mash on, right, babe?
That's right.
We're on our way.
Okie doke.
Well, praise God in heaven. Today was more of a sunny day, and plus the temperature was so nice outside.
I think so.
Y'all, I have something to tell y'all. I've been waiting so patiently to try this thing. You want to know what it is? Candytopia. I never heard about it until one day I was in passing. Somebody said, have you ever been to Candytopia? I looked it up. Candytopia is in Atlanta, in Buckhead. So I had to go check it out, and that's what we're finna do. We're finna go check it out, Creationites. Yes, we are, because I hear it's something like Willy Wonka. If you watch Willy Wonka as a child, you're gonna love this, okay? And I'm excited to see what it has to offer. So come along with me.
The Atlanta Braves won the World Series, so it seems that a lot of people may have taken today off to chill from all the celebrating they did over the past few days.
And finally, there's candy in every single room, and in many different foods. There's also the favorites. You got the jelly beans, the candy corn, the black licorice, and let's not forget some added gummy bears. And right over here near the door.
I love places like this. And since they now have a spot here in Georgia, I have an opportunity to go. This reminds me so much of my childhood. To this day, I'm still a fan of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. What can I say? My mom's gave me the dopest childhood ever.
To come to Candytopia in the city near you. I'm in the A, and this is where it's at. I love, as a kid, watching Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. This is everything like it, but on the upper scale. I'm excited, and you feel so much better.
My boo thing wanted to take me out and about to a couple of places that I wanted to go. Candyland, as y'all know it, is Candytopia.
get that fish shot. So you really enjoyed yourself in the candy spot?
Yes, I did.
How long you been wanting to do that?
For a while.
What's a while?
As we was walking across the street, I saw some cowboy
These are
things.
all the goodie tricks. Is this a one-way?
I don't know, that car right there turned this way. No, that's not a one-way. Because you see the parking signs on the right side of the street?
Yeah, but they was coming down. That's why I was
It's a narrow street, that's what it is.
Sure. You know I was getting nervous. You want me to turn around so I can park right there?
I don't know about parking right there because I don't know. The Ferris wheel is over there.
Yeah, that's why I was going to box so we can park. 4-hour parking maximum on this side.
Oh, okay, well.
That's why I was trying to look for parking. Because I'm over here so we don't have to keep going around. Because y'all, we finna go on a date night with Boo Thing, and we're finna do a Ferris wheel. This is something I've been wanting to do for some time. He's scared of heights, so we're gonna see how he like it. And we get to get on a surprise carriage ride. And I think they give you chocolates and a rose. So come on.
So we about to go hit the carriage ride. That's what you wanted to hit.
You wanted to take me on the carriage ride, remember?
Temperature changed a little bit, huh?
Move out the way. Okay. Do y'all have a person that y'all are in a relationship, your significant other, boo thing, husband, wife, whatever you want to call them, babe? Are they scared of heights? Answer that and put that in the comment below because babe, boo thing is scared of heights. But he's being a trooper coming on this ride with me. So, how you like it?
Well, I never liked heights. See my battery flashing. Never really liked heights. Never.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like I can't control nothing. It's just stuck in the head, stuck in the. But
We're going backwards now.
we just not gonna worry about it. Life's in God's hands, like everybody else's life is. And at this moment while I'm talking, you're gonna get some GoPro, B-roll, the Go Weed. So I'm hanging with Helen. This is Creations with Helen, though she keep telling me not to keep saying that, but it is. And be with y'all the next time.
But you can look and say no.